What's up, YouTube? We back again, another reaction. Airplay Beats, La and Chi. And today we back to Rush, Fly By Night. We just skipping around now. They wanted us to get get to the later stuff a little bit.
The album cover's nice.
Yeah, that's dope. But here we go. That sounds like Rush.
Changing every day, changing the seasons, and not for the reason to want to get away. Quiet and dancing, my thoughts apprehensive. The hours drift away, leaving my homeland, flying alone, and my life begins today. Fly by night away from here.
They was in their bag when they made in that Rush bag when they made that one.
Yeah, when the hook comes on, that whole change of
Fly By Night.
Yeah, the change of the beat and everything in the back, it changes the way you're bobbing to the song. The timing changes just a tap,
and it hooks you in,
and it goes right back to that groove.
Hooks you right on in. Yeah, and that's the lyrics and them drum fills and patterns that we're used to.
Yeah. And this, of course, the lead vocalist when that high pitched.
He was just starting off on that first album.
Yeah.
He's there on this one here.
When he caught his style.
Yeah, that's that Getty that we know.
Yeah.
But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, and we up out of here.